Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation. Today we would like to present you our topic, which is fuel cost for the year 2015 and the ways to reduce it. And here is my group members. They are Hande, Eda, Büşra and Denizhan. Let's start with the outline. The first topic is fuel cost data for low-cost carriers, and the second topic is also for full service carriers. After that, I would like to explain the ways to reduce fuel cost, and the last part is the potential saving in fuel and resources. Let's start with the first one. Southwest, which is low-cost carrier airline, in 2015 the total cost was $15.704 million and the fuel cost was $3.616 million for Southwest. When we divide it by full cost to the total cost and multiply with the 100, we can get the result, which is 23.02%, as you can see on the pie chart. For the Alaska Air, it is also the low-cost carrier. Total cost was $4.300 million and the full cost was $954 million and the result is 22.18% of the total cost. When we look at the UPS cargo, we can see the total cost was $50.695 million and the total fuel cost was $2.482 million. And when we divided the total cost and multiply with the 100, we can result the 4.89%, and this is the lower percentage than the other airlines, as you can see on the chart. And the last low-cost carrier in our group is AirAsia. The total cost was $90.122 million and total fuel cost was $11.011 million. And as you can see on the chart, the result is 12.21% of the total cost. The only full services carrier is Iberia Airlines. They have the total cost in 2015 was $4.706 million and the total fuel cost was $1.453 million and the result is 30.87% of the total cost. Let's have a look at the ways to reduce fuel cost. If you're decreasing the weight of aircraft, and I'm gonna have larger aircraft which is going to consume less fuel, so you can replace the components of the aircraft with newer and lighter materials. For example, American Airlines are using iPad instead of flight manual, and with this method they annually saved $1.2 million. And also for American Airlines, they are not serving peanuts for the passenger anymore, and this is also saved $1.98 a year. Also, reducing the environmental impact of fuel consumption is a factor for fuel cost, reducing fuel cost. Managing the operation and condition of an aircraft to minimize the fuel used on air flight. An example, airlines are operating a flight at the hottest flight of day and they are avoiding humidity. Also, they are planning their flight path with wind blowing from the back, so this supports the thrust, and with this method, they are reducing consumption of fuel. Also for the short distance flight that they are not filling the fuel tank to the limit. Last topic is the potential saving in fuel for our airlines. The first example is Iberia. As I mentioned before, Iberia is the full services carrier and they saved $40 million. And another example is Alaska Airlines, which is low-cost carrier, and they saved $9.54 million in a year. And here is our resources. You can check them, and thank you for your attention.